This is Ryan Wexelblatt. I don't know if Zoom is pointing the correct way. And Ryan is the ADHD dude. Hey, Ryan.
Hey, how you doing?
I'm great. What are we going to learn about in your session?
Yeah, so I'm going to speak to dads and about understanding ADHD and how to make life easier at home from a dad's perspective. And I really want to encourage mothers to watch this as well.
And why might this be important for dads?
Yeah, well, because I think number one, there's not a lot of people who speak directly to dads, and that's something important to me. And I found that when moms in my community share the information with dads, it resonates with them. So I think that they'll feel like this is tailored to them.
And what's one thing that stands out that the dads will learn?
Yeah, I think they'll walk away with a different understanding of ADHD than they've had before and a more practical understanding that's in really plain language.
Awesome. Thank you so much. And hey, everybody in TEFOS, we'll see you there. Please share this with somebody so that they can find TEFOS as well. Take care, everyone.